Think about all the things that you should do. How many of them do you actually do? Why don't you actually get stuff done? It's mostly because you can't get this thing to do what you want it to. What I'd love to do over the course of Dr. K's guide to ADHD and doing stuff is help you understand that people who consistently accomplish things aren't necessarily more motivated, have more willpower, or even more discipline. That's why we've included a thorough exploration of ADHD in this guide, as well as the neuroscience behind motivation and focus and non-clinical interventions, like how to organize, how to prioritize, and how to meditate, obviously. Motivation is an intrinsic desire to do something. You don't have to force yourself to do anything. Different parts of the brain are responsible for creating that intrinsic motivation. The more you care, the harder it is to compromise. The harder it is to compromise, the harder it is to get started. What stimulant medications do is actually stimulate the frontal cortex. So what we're actually boosting the signal of is our ability to control the rest of our brain. So if I forget about one thing and my mind goes somewhere else and I reward it with a dopaminergic hit from my phone, I'm actually entraining it to not keep its attention in one area. And you can absolutely browse TikTok for 4 hours, but I can guarantee you that hour 3 is not going to be as fun as the first 10 minutes. Sitting still and breathing is the most hardcore activity that you've done today. And that too was for about 6 minutes. We spend that much time after we're finished pooping, but just sitting on the potty. So I invite you to uncover all aspects of motivation with me, so we can shift you from being someone who tries to do stuff to someone who actually does stuff.